Hey bubbles, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make rose water at home. Rose water can be made by steeping rose petals in water, and it can be used as a makeup remover for acne treatment, facial toner and cleanser. It can also be used for hair conditioning. But before we dive into the video, if this is your first time, you're most definitely welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for video updates. If you're a regular, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
So for this production, we'll need roses, water and essential oil of your choosing. First, you pluck the petals of the roses into a bowl. Then you wash the rose petals to get rid of the pesticides or any chemical substance that can be harmful to your skin. It wasn't easy getting these roses today, being Sunday and flower shops are closed, but I got them anyway. Next, you put the washed petals in a pot around a dry bowl that will collect the condensed concentrates during the boiling process. Add your water enough to maintain a concentrated extract from the roses. Make sure the bowl is very dry. Then place your pot on the cooker. Place the pot cover upside down so that the handle can serve as a funnel to channel the condensed liquid into the bowl. Boil at a low heat. Place ice cubes on the lid to condense the evaporated steam on the cover of the pot so that the water can go into the bowl. So the liquid that forms around this lid will now be channeled into the bowl. So the ice block helps to condense it, to cool it down so it forms water and enters into the bowl. Here. Allow to boil for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, depending on the quantity of your rose petals. For me, I'll leave it for 30 minutes. So bring the pot down and allow to cool for a while, and after it has cooled, you sieve the water from the rose petals. Press the petals to extract oil and extra liquid on the petals. Like, you have to press it really hard so that I can extract all the liquid and oil on the petals into the bowl. So this is the rose water we've gotten from our process. Now this is the bottle I'm going to be using to pour in my rose water. Yeah, you pour in the rose water into the container you have. Then for this process, I'm going to be using rose petal essential oil and lemongrass essential oil. Now I'm using lemongrass because I love the fragrance, and rose, so I have to use rose essential oil. So you pour in the rose water into the container you have. Lost inside an empty nothing. From my study, I found out that a mixture of rose water and rose essential oil is used in aromatherapy for headaches. So this could also be an aromatherapeutic treatment for headache. I love the scent of lemongrass. Like, it calms me down, so that's why I'm adding it into my rose water. But it's optional. You can use any essential oil of your choosing. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using. So you shake to mix properly, and voila, that is your rose water. Like, it's better you know what is actually going into your rose water. I prefer to know what is going into my products than actually going to buy from stores that I don't know the chemicals in them. So I feel more comfortable using what I made from my kitchen than going out to buy something I don't know the chemicals that has been used for it. So it's pretty easy. You can always do this at home, anytime, anywhere. You can even use it as a gift for someone. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to prepare this for my housemates so they can have this goodness for themselves too. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, leave a comment down below, like this video, and tell me what you think in the comment section. I really want to know how it went for you. So till I come your way again, bye.